Good PM. Today is November 30, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sware 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, November 30, 2023. Here are the SL Sware 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for November 30, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of November 30, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.